one you can see the Philippines.
Yes.
Actually, it's a one land before.
Yes.
There is no divided. It's only a one land.
And this along the coast of Vietnam. Ayan, no? Nandiyan yung lizard, yung mga tigers, no? Ito yung sa atin eh. This is Vietnam. Actually, this is Vietnam. Ito yung sa atin. It's still divided with water.
That is not, actually, the land is in one piece. There is no divided.
No, this is water.
Yeah, before
Body
that,
of
there is no
water.
At first, you can see later on the video. It shows that Philippines, Malaysia, Kalimantan,
Ah, yeah.
all
Okay.
is a one big land.
Malaysia. So, Singapore.
Malaysia